Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be making potato porridge, and my first step is going to be making the chicken stock. So I'm using about a kilogram of chicken, and I'm going to be adding some spices like nutmeg, curry powder, and some salt, thyme, and so on, as you see in the video. I like to add a bit more salt in the stock because I'm trying to get the chicken to be very well flavored, and also because the stock is going to be used in the food to be very tasty, and so I don't need to put as much salt into the pot of food we'll be making today. So, but if you're making some chicken stock, feel free to add any other types of spices that you really enjoy using. Now I'm adding in some pepper. You can feel free to just regulate how much pepper you like to your own taste. I'm adding in some onions and then about a cup of water to my chicken, and I'm just stirring it in so that all the spices kind of go all around my chicken, and then I'm going to leave this to cook until it is well done. So now my chicken is ready. I'm just going to strain the chicken and put it into a bowl that I'm going to be roasting it in the oven with. I'll be roasting at 200 degrees Celsius until it is sort of golden to lightly browned. I'm going to set aside the chicken stock for later for our yummy potato porridge. Hey! So here are ingredients for the amazing meal we're going to make. So we've got sweet potato. This is a large one. So by the time we cut it all up, you'll see that we just need one. And we have some Irish potatoes and our green paste. And we have some green beans and peas. We've got some tomatoes. We're going to be using a red onion and a sweet onion, a red bell pepper and a Scotch bonnet, some basil and garlic, a couple of carrots, and then these are the spices we'll be using: some nutmeg, white pepper, salt to your taste, curry powder, pretty much the same spices that we used in the stock. And yes, here's our amazing stock. So first of all, I'm going to blend the tomatoes and all the onions and the peppers, Scotch bonnet, and the garlic into a paste, and then we're going to set this on the cooker and boil this down until the paste is sort of dry. So here I'm just peeling my potatoes. As you can see, these are slightly different from the normal type of sweet potatoes. They are the African variety. They are white fleshed, just going to clean them and remove the eyes of the potatoes. That's just little spots on it. So just make sure it's thoroughly peeled and clean, and then put them immediately into some water after cutting and peeling it, because as you can see, some parts of the sweet potato is beginning to turn a grayish sort of color, and we want to maintain that nice white looking color on the sweet potatoes. So guys, if you're using this version of sweet potatoes, because they are harder in texture compared to the other variety that are yellow in color, be careful when you're cutting them because they are obviously tough. So do it gently, and cutting them into small pieces, small to medium sized pieces, so that they can cook quicker, and getting everything sort of uniform shapes. I'm going to cut my Irish potatoes too into similar sizes. So I'm just going to cut my carrots into medium sizes. This dish is meant to be sort of chunky kind of texture to the dish. So my carrot is ready. So the tomato paste is ready now. I'm going to set this aside. In a clean pan, I'm going to fry the green paste in some oil until it is lightly brown. I am doing this separately because I want the green paste ingredients to develop their flavors on their own, and then I'll add this in to tomato paste. I'm going to leave the list of ingredients for the green paste in the description box. So here's our tomato paste. Added in a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm just going to stir this and allow it fry. I'm going to be adding some spices into our tomato paste that's going to make our potato pottage very yummy. So now I've added in the green paste. I'm just going to allow this to fry for a couple of minutes, and then add the amazing chicken stock. Stir this in. So I've added about 4 cups of water into the pan that I made the green paste in, so I can get all of that flavor out. Guys, no wastage. So I'm just going to stir this in and then add potatoes into this gorgeous tomato base, and then we're going to allow this to cook thoroughly. I'm going to add our basil leaves to this so that the flavors can really combine. I allow this to boil for about 20 minutes until the potatoes are cooked and they are very soft. Keep checking your potatoes just to make sure and see where they're at and see whether you need to top up a little bit of water or not, because we want the potatoes to be very soft. So now we're adding in the carrots, and then we're going to add our green beans and peas. And at this stage, the potatoes are almost ready, so that's why I'm adding in the vegetables, so because they don't take so long to cook. So we leave them about 10 minutes or less. Here is our potato porridge. It looks so yummy and delicious, and guys, it was so tasty and very, very flavorful. So here is our delicious meal with our roasted chicken and some gizzard. You can use any type of meat that you like, and you can even add dried fish if you want. But here, this is how I make mine. So guys, enjoy this, and I hope you try this wonderful recipe out and let me know how it goes. Thank you again for watching. Enjoy!